The RML Hospital has issued a statement saying that both BJP MPs Pratap Chandra Sarangi and Mukesh Rajput are reported to be stable with normal blood pressure. The hospital has also informed that both the MPs and their medical reports have been received yesterday and were also normal. Though some additional reports are expected today for further assessment. Remember, these two BJP MPs were allegedly injured during a scuffle in the parliament yesterday, for which Rahul Gandhi is facing a blowback. In fact, yesterday in the parliament, after Rahul Gandhi pushed one parliamentarian, that parliamentarian fell on BJP MP Sarangi, who was then injured on the head. We're also being joined by my colleague Riyanka to get us more updates. Riyanka, the RML Hospital, Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital, has finally come out with a statement. They've said that both the MPs are not just stable, but also their medical reports are completely fine. However, on the other side, there has been an FIR which has been lodged against Rahul Gandhi. So what is the situation looking like at RML right now? When are these MPs expected to be discharged? Any updates on that?
As you can rightly see, I'm standing outside the RML Hospital where both the MPs of the BJP who were injured yesterday have been admitted. As per the health bulletin that have been received by the RML Hospital, what we're getting to know is that their health is currently stable. When there were concerns about the blood pressure yesterday as well, that is also under control. On the other hand, there were several medical reports that were done. There were CT scans and MRI scans that were taken yesterday itself. Those have also come to be normal. But these two MPs continue to be in the observation at the RML Hospital. Now, when it comes to the discharge report, we are yet to ascertain what time will they be discharged, whether or not they will be discharged today. That is something that we are yet to ascertain, but very likely there will be a briefing by the doctors inside RML in a short while from now. We are yet to understand exactly what time that will happen, but for now that is the statement that has been given by the RML Hospital. On the other hand, yes, absolutely, we know the fact that it was an FIR that has been now lodged against Rahul Gandhi for the such an undemocratic situation that had happened in the parliament yesterday, and there have been several criticisms that we have in fact witnessed from an entire spectrum of the political arena. But yes, we are yet to see what exactly can be said in a while from now, but their condition of Mr. Pratap Sarangi and Mukesh Rajput continue to be stable.
Right, Riyanka. In fact, tell me, what were the events? We'll just give our viewers a quick roundup. What were the events that led to this to begin with?
Right. Yesterday during the parliament session, there was a row that was already underway regarding disrespecting Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, which is why there was a very big protest that was called in from the side of the BJP as well as the Congress. Now, when the BJP in fact was protesting at the Makardwar of the parliament, at that point in time, there was some push and pull that had happened, a scuffle that was seen in the MPs who were there, and allegedly it was Rahul Gandhi who apparently pushed both the leaders. He pushed probably Mukesh Rajput, who then fell on Pratap Sarangi, who eventually got injured on his head. On the other hand, yes, both the leaders were then rushed to RML Hospital when Pratap Sarangi had in fact gotten 2 stitches on his forehead. But on the other hand, Rahul Gandhi and the Congress parties as well as the India Alliance partners, they continue to be defiant of the entire matter. Rather, they say it was the BJP side that had instead indulged in the pushing and the pulling that happened of the Congress leaders. So yes, it was an entire blame game that was shifted from the side of the Congress party. But the clippings that we have from yesterday that showed how injured was Pratap Sarangi. He was in fact being helped by a former, I beg your pardon, his colleagues who were there at that point in time. And then there were several other visits of the top leaders of the BJP at the RML Hospital till late night yesterday. There was Rajnath Singh who had visited both the leaders at the RML Hospital. We also saw visits from the side of Arjun Ram Meghwal as well as Ravi Shankar Prasad and many other leaders who one by one came and took stock of the situation here from RML.
Right, Riyanka, right. Thank you so much. We will keep on to the story as and when there are more updates. But for now, we'll be moving on.